The first thing you want to do is take these pins off. As you can see, I already have my pins off. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna take these pins off. So once you take the pins off, it's gonna release that. And then the only other thing you do is you're gonna have a screw right here. It may apply different for different platforms, but you're gonna have a screw right here. And you're gonna take this screw off and potentially you're gonna take this screw off, and then at that point it will release your light, just like that. You may have a clamp right here. I don't have mine on there because this is a custom retrofit, but you need to do to release the light. Then you're gonna come right over here, and then you're gonna unplug the light. So you're pretty much gonna unplug it from right here. It should be a clip right here. Be careful because this can break very, very easily. It could be brittle from the heat, but you're just gonna pull this off just like so. Just like that. There you go. You're gonna just pretty much slide it out. I'm gonna hold it, but you're gonna slide it out. You're just gonna slide it out like so. You're gonna pull it to the right. So you're gonna pull it out towards the right. So once you pull it out, you're gonna have your old light right here. It's gonna be right there. And all you do is you're gonna twist it to the left. You're just gonna take this light and you're gonna twist it to the left. All right, guys, so this is the one I decided to go with. It's called Sino Parcel. It's pretty cheap on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link below. But this is gonna be the replacement. It says it's 2 times lighter. I said, what the heck, let me try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in both of the front headlights. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so you guys can see how it looks. So you can slide them right out just like so. They come with gloves. You're really not supposed to touch the ballast part of the lights, which is why it's all covered and secured, because that can ultimately leave fingerprints and shorten the life of the light. As you can see, it comes with instructions and it's packed pretty neatly. Appreciate that. This is how you can tell if the light is bad. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to do it to where you can see it. So it's really gassy and it has scratches. Like right, oh, let's see if I can zoom in. It has, you see that? It's just gassy and it has scratches all over this part of the light. Whereas this one is pretty clear. So if you look, this one is gassy, kind of like a milky color, and this one is clear. Sometimes it's hard to be able to tell when it's good or not. And it's also a little kind of shaky, in my opinion. So the key to the light is going to be right here. You have 2 components to the light. So the 2 components to the light is going to be this right here, and this is going to be what powers the actual LEDs, and then you have this right here, and this is what powers the actual HID or Xeon light. So these are going to be the 2 components that you would have to change if your light is not working. However, you want to start backwards, right? So you don't want to focus on this first. You want to focus on the actual light itself that connects to this right here. All right, guys, so as you can see, the next thing that I'm going to do is I have my light here and it's upside down, and this is where this is going to plug into that, and the light is going to go into there. So pretty much I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and I'm going to give it a twist. Put this in there. So let me first connect it to this. Oh, actually, no, let me put the light in first. So all I did was I put it in, mashed up the grooves. When I say the grooves, I mashed up these grooves right here. And then once I put it in, it was like this. I mashed up the grooves and I just locked it in place that way. So now I'm going to pretty much connect this into there. So I'm just going to go like this. Bam, just like that. So now the light is officially in. So now we're gonna do a test to see if this light works and how bright it is compared to this, the new one and the old one. I'm gonna leave this one went out right here. but I'm gonna go ahead and compare it to the other one to see if one of them is brighter than the other. Okay. All right, guys, as you can see, this light is super bright. Oh, wow. So I'm happy that this was my issue and that it was not, you know, a ballast, because those things can be a bit expensive, or more of the, you know, like I said earlier in the video, those two things that pretty much power the LED, pretty much those things that power the LED as well as the main light. So this makes me feel really good to know that it's actually just a bulb. So as you can see, it's shining bright. I mean, look at that, guys. Whoa, I mean, that is shining bright. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on the camera or not, but you know how it flickers when you're filming, but that is shining pretty bright. And let me show you the other side so you can see the difference. As you can see, the other side is not as bright. You can kind of tell the difference. The other side is not shining as bright. So I am going to say, and that side looks a little bluer, so I am going to say that the new bulb definitely is a better bulb. As you can see the difference in the old bulb. So there we go, guys. Have officially changed the bulb. I'm going to leave a link to this in my Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to this in my video. So if you want to buy it, you can grab this. Once again, every step of the way, I'm going to show you guys. Thanks for watching. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace them out. Make sure you sign these fenders because I have new fenders coming in. Appreciate the love and the support. Thanks, guys.